how we repair the disconnect we have with our inner child as an adult is reparenting our inner child. And what that looks like is you calling forth your inner child, visualizing the version of yourself around 5 years old, visualizing that, placing that image of your 5-year-old self in front of you and being the parent that you needed. Be the teacher that you needed. Be the father and the mother that you needed as a child. Speak out to your inner child and let him or her know that he's encouraged to be unique, encouraged to be a pioneer, encouraged to be soulful and full of great jazz and great enthusiasm, and here to expand and evolve the conventions of human undertaking to a new level. And that can help us to get back into that rhythm of learning where we are very much available and receptive to learning and to enhancing our learning so that we can become an even finer craftsman and craftwoman, where we have a talent and gift called alchemizing our life, our mind, our body, our energy field with talent, with gift, with reinvention, reform.